Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will talk about engineering without border. Firstly, my name is Muhammad Arizikri bin Muhammad Rosli. My number matric is TB 2323011. Okay, my friend is Jiso Balawan TB 23018. Next. Okay, today I want to talk about introduction, why, what, action has taken, possible action, and conclusion. For the introduction, without engineering without border, the vision is a community that value the use of scientific approach to empower the underprivileged and eradicate their problem through technical solution. The mission is to harness the premium engineering skill of our student community by engaging in innovative project, building better technology and collaborating with other EWB chapter and NGOs. Next is the objective from with engineering without border, access to basic need. EWB aim to provide marginalized communities with access to basic human needs such as clean water, sanitation, healthcare, education, energy, and infrastructure. The organization recognize this essential as fundamental for human dignity and economic progress. Next is community improvement. EWB is decided to empowering community through its powers. This innovates not only implementing infrastructure solution but also investing in local capacity building. The organization serve service to transfer knowledge, skill, and resources to community for fostering safe and ensuring that they can independently operate the maintain the implement solution. Next is engineering without border. In point is humanitarian organization that leverage ethical engineering aspects to empower this disadvantaged community globally. Next, the focus on providing access to basic needs like water, energy, sanitation, as a foundation for development. Inspired to nurture next generation of engineer to drive positive change applying technical skill. Next is what happened engineering without border. Lot of adoption engineering solution not tailored to communities culture and social normalities enormous core phase rejection, lack of untake and abandoned project due to people being unable to relate to them. Next is improper maintenance. Without educationally important skill and contextual operational knowledge to local up up upkeep of technical solution, software and community struggle with unfamiliar system. And the next is cost burden. Cost burden is important as null having engineering equipment, talent rather than maximizing local material labor in increase financial strain for communities happen project viability. The lastly is social impact assessment. Social impact assessment critically and analyze and predict how purpose and energy and engineering solution and development plan in fact humans societies and equipment plan to make societies concrete decision. Next is why engineering without border. Humanitarian engineering. EWB use engineering expertise to improve the life of people in disadvantaged communities. Human energy engineering properties to well-being of individual and communities aim to address basic human need to such as access to clean water, sanitation, healthcare, education, energy and infrastructure. The net for the Y capacity building. EWB work closely with local communities, transferring knowledge and skill to ensure project and sustainability. Community are trained on the equality scale like electrical work, plumbing, fabrication of spare part. System administration that enable that to sustain project as well as game employment. The lastly for the Y energy without border is sustainable development. EWB EWB apps preside a long term solution that promote self sufficiency and community empowerment. The last sustainable development seek to promote economic growth that is inclusive, equitable, and environmentally responsible. Impress im, impresses to creation of economic system that benefit all members of society while avoiding depletion on natural resources.
Thank you, Zikri, for explain introduction, what it failed, why it failed. Now, in this presentation, I will explain action has taken, possible action. For first is community project. The first one is required evaluation, which are carrying out in-depth analysis to pinpoint issues facing the community. Second is participation of the community, which are including neighborhood groups in decision making for sustainable and culturally appropriate solutions. Third is sustainable solution, which are creating and putting into practice durable, ecologically responsible technical solution. The next action is taken are educational outreach. The human or people are required to gain from workshops and training programs, which are holding workshops to transfer information about engineering in a practical way. Second is capacity building, which are giving communities the tools they need to preserve the solution they develop. Third are sustainability focus, incorporating sustainable practice into the classroom for lasting effect. The third action is taken research and innovation. First is problem identification, which are cooperative efforts to identify urgent concerns with local communities. Second are applied research, which are development of realistic context-specific solutions through applied research. Third, technology development, that are adapting technologies to regional settings in the area of agriculture, renewable energy, and water purification. Now we move on to possible action, which are the I need to solve out the solution within the problem in about engineering without border. The first one are infrastructure development. Firstly, design and implementation is develop sustainable community appropriate initiatives. Second is renewable energy. Put sustainable energy solution into practice. Third is transportation infrastructure, which is to improve the connectivity locally. Second possible action is monitoring and evaluation. First, detailed goals and measure is to establish quantifiable indicators for project objectives so the progress can be monitored. Third, organize of basic data, gather pre-project information for reference, such as socioeconomic and demographic statistics of the neighborhood. Third is regular reports of progress, which is create a reporting system that includes site visits, updates, and real-time data to track progress over time. Now we move on to the conclusion. Engineering Without Borders, in a bracket EWB, plays a pivotal role in leveraging engineering expertise to address critical challenges faced by communities worldwide. Through a multifaceted approach that includes infrastructure development, education research, and collaboration, EWB strives to empower communities with sustainable solutions that improve quality of life while promoting environmental stewardship. By fostering international partnership and advocating for equitable access to essential resources, EWB exemplifies the transformative potential of engineering in creating a more just and sustainable world. That is all from us. Thank you very much.
Thank you.